Standard 5 Maths, Chapter number 12, Smart Chart, Textbook, page number 164. Admit. Ragini loves to watch cartoons on television. One day, she thought of counting the number of ads during the breaks. She found that in each break there were 14 advertisements. In 10 of those ads there were children as actors. Okay, you all are watching television. Is it true? Yes, you all likes to watch the television. Now once she saw the any show, and there were 14 advertisement. Why do you think that children are used in so many ads? In 14 advertisement were there, and from 14 10 in 10 advertisement there were children only as an actor. So why do you think that children are used in so many ads? Because children are used in so many ads because cartoons are mostly watched by children. Use Telemax to count the numbers of ads during a short break in a program. So Telemax used to count the numbers of ads can be as followed. Assuming there are 14 ads in break. Maybe there are 14 ads in a break. So one break आई एक लाइन करो, second break, then third break, fourth break and fifth break slanting line. Then once again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 12, 13 and 14. So like that you can make a telemax. And during new programs also there are ads. Try yourself. Next time when you watch your favorite TV program, count the number of advertise during each break. Okay, what you have to do? Count the numbers of advertise in each break. Yeah, first break, how many advertise, second break, third break, like that. And use telemax. Put a dot below the tally when you find children in any advertisement. And when you find children in any advertisement, then put a dot. And compare with your friends. Okay, do you get different answers like that? Okay, I prepared one chat for you, table like this. You can make in your notebook. Break and telemax and then number of ads. Like maybe you can write here in first break. Write here first. In first break, how many? Maybe one ad. Then draw a one line. 2, 3, 4th and 5th. 6 ad, 7 ad, 8, 9, 10. Then 11, 12. Okay, like that. As ad comes, draw a line. So total 5 and 5, 10, 11 and 12. So number of ad 12. Then second break. So write here second. Okay. During the second ad, if first ad comes, then draw a line, telemax. Second ad, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Maybe there were 15 ads. Then third break. Whatever you are watching, each break you can count the ads. Maybe in third break, first ad I, second ad I, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. 5 and 5, 10 and 5, 15, 16 and 17. So number of ad 17. Like this telemax you can make in your notebook and compare with your friends. When you compare your telemax with your friends, maybe your chat and your answer will be different because you are watching different program, your friend is watching different program, so you can find the difference in your telemax. Next page, hot and cold. Have you seen the weather report on TV or in your newspaper? These are two bar charts. These are the bar chart. It's called the bar chart. This shows the highest temperature in degrees Celsius in 4 cities: Delhi, Shimla, Bengaluru, and Jaisalmer. And 2 different days, 1st June and 1st December. Okay, this temperature of 1st June and this bar graph is of 1st December. The cities are Delhi, Shimla, Bengaluru, and Jaisalmer. Okay. First, let us see. These are called the bar graphs. Okay. In bar graphs, 2 rays are there. Okay. This is the X and this is the Y. Okay. On one side, it is temperature is given 10 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, 30 degree and 40 degree. And here 4 cities: Delhi, Shimla, Bengaluru and Jaisalmer. This temperature is of 1st June. On 1st June, Delhi's temperature is, here it is written 33 degrees Celsius. Shimla's temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. Bengaluru's 28 degrees Celsius and Jaisalmer 38 degrees Celsius. And the temperature of on 1st December, here same 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree and 40 degree. And this line 4 cities names are given. Okay, on 1st December, Delhi's temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Shimla's temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Bengaluru's temperature is 24 degrees Celsius and Jaisalmer's temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Now find out from the bar chart. Okay, which city is the hottest on 1st June? On 1st June. 1st June कहाँ है? Okay, this is the 1st June. Now hottest यानी सबसे ज़्यादा गर्म, यानी कि which city is hottest? किसका बार ऊपर है? This one, जैसलमेर. So Jaisalmer is hottest on 1st June. Which city is the coldest on 1st December? 1st December. चार्ट अलग है. ये 1st June का था. They asked about 1st June. So Jaisalmer was hottest on 1st June. Now what they asked? Coldest on 1st December. सबसे ठंडा कम टेम्परेचर कहाँ है? शिमला में, and it is 10 degrees Celsius. So Simla is coldest on 1st December and Jaisalmer is the hottest on 1st June. Which city shows little change in temperature on 2 days, 1st June and 1st December? कौन सी सिटी है उसमें चेंजेस बहुत कम है? Let's check here 1st June and 1st December. Delhi, so 33 and 23. 33 and 23. 33 minus 23, it is how much? 10 degree. Then Shimla का changes difference कितना है? 22 and 10. 22 minus 10, it is 12. Shimla 12. Bengaluru 28 minus 24. 28 minus 24, we can write here 28 minus 24, 4 degree. And Jaisalmer 38 minus 35. 38 minus 35. 25. Okay. So which city has the lowest change? यहाँ कितना है डिफरेंस? दिल्ली का 10 डिग्री, देन जैसलमेर का 13, देन शिमला 12 and Bengaluru lowest 4. So which city shows the little changes in temperature? So Bengaluru shows the little changes in temperature. So here questions are given. 1st June has the hottest temperature, Jaisalmer. Okay. Then 1st December cold one, Shimla. And which city has the little change? That is Bengaluru. Now try yourself on any one day. Choose any 3 cities and record their temperature from the TV or newspaper. Temperature अब न्यूज़पेपर में कहाँ देते हैं एंड टीवी में कब आता है, that is your responsibility. You have to find out. Make a bar chart in your notebook and ask your friends a few questions about it. See if they understand your chart. Let us show the highest temperature in degrees Celsius in 3 cities: Delhi, Bangalore, and Sikkim. See here, bar graph of temperature. 3 cities, and here the temperature is given 0 to 40 degree. And 3 cities: Delhi, Bangalore, and Sikkim. Okay, now in this bar graph is of 10th April. Okay, 10th April. You can make questions. Which city is the hottest on 10th April? So which one is the hottest? 35 degree किसका है? Delhi. So Delhi is the hottest on 10th April. Which city is the coolest on 10th April? Coolest, सबसे कम temperature, lowest temperature 20 degree Celsius. So it is of Sikkim. What is the difference in temperature in Bengaluru and Sikkim on 10th April? What is the difference between the temperature of Bengaluru and Sikkim on 10th April? So Bengaluru's temperature is 30 degree and Sikkim's temperature is 20 degree. So difference between 30 and 20, 10. So difference between Bengaluru and Sikkim on 10th April is 10 degrees Celsius. So like this bar graph you can make in your own notebook. Now next, page number 166. Rabbits in Australia. Earlier there were no rabbits in Australia. पहले ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रैबिट्स नहीं थे. Rabbits were brought to Australia around the year 1780. Okay, इतने years पहले 1780 वहाँ लाया गया. At that time there were no animals in Australia which ate rabbits. जब 1780 में रैबिट्स को ऑस्ट्रेलिया लाया गया तब वहाँ दूसरे कोई एनिमल्स नहीं थे कि जो रैबिट को खाए, जो रैबिट का शिकार करे. सो द रैबिट्स बिगेन टू मल्टीप्लाई एट अ वेरी फास्ट रेट. कोई एनिमल उसका शिकार नहीं करते थे तो वो जल्दी से बढ़ने लगी. इमेजिन व्हाट दे डिड टू क्रॉप्स. ओके, इतने सारे रैबिट्स बढ़ गए तो वो क्रॉप्स जो अनाज उगाते हैं वो भी कितना डिस्ट्रॉय करते होंगे. Okay, the table shows how rabbits grew earlier. Here in your textbook, this table is shown कि rabbits कितने जल्दी जल्दी बढ़ने लगे. See the table here, the category of time, and this is the number of rabbits. Start हुआ, okay, 10 rabbits थे. Then first year, so 1780. So it start on 1780. First, and that time there were 10 rabbits. Then first year, so 1781. 1781 में कितने rabbits बचे? 18. Then 80, 17, 82, 83, 84 like that. So 32. Then 58, 108. कैसे बढ़ रहे हैं rabbits? Okay. So 10, 18 है. So 10 2s are 20. But 20 से थोड़ा कम. डबल हुए हैं लेकिन डबल से थोड़ा कम. ओके, यहाँ भी मे बी 18 है. सो 18 से डबल, 18 से डबल है बट डबल से थोड़ा कम है. लाइक दैट इज इंक्रीज. हाउ दे आर इंक्रीज? लेट्स सी. 10 है सो 10 2s are 20. 10 2s are 20 and 20 minus 2 it is 18. 10 2s are 20 minus 2 it is 18. To understand properly, I prepare a table, the time and number of rabbits. Okay, it started 70-80 and that time there were 10 rabbits. 10 rabbits. Then on first year 18 rabbits, second year 32 rabbits, third year 58 rabbits, fourth year 108 rabbits. Okay, like this rabbits were increased. Now 10, then double we saw. So how after first year how it increased? 10 2s are 20. Okay, 20 minus 2. So 18 हुए. Okay. Then second year how it increase? 18 twos are 36 minus 2 नहीं है minus 4 है. देखो. Okay. First year डबल से 2 कम. Then second year डबल से हुए डबल से 4 कम. Okay. Like that it increase. Then third year 32 आए. So 32 का डबल 32 टू ज़ा 64 minus 2 4 6. So how much it is? 58. Then 58 2s are 58 2s are 116. अब कितने माइनस है? 8 minus 8. So answer 108 आया? Yes. 116 minus 8. Then 108. Then 108. So fifth year क्या हुआ? 108 का डबल करो. 108 का डबल है 216. So 2 4 6 8. So minus 10. So fifth year 206. Then again 206 का डबल करो. Then 206 का डबल है 412. 6 2s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. Minus 12. Why minus 12? Okay, 2 4 6 8 10 12. Okay, so 412 minus 12. So it is 400. So 600. 6 here 400. Again 7th year का करते हैं. So 400 का डबल करो. What is the double of 400? It is 4 2s are 800 and minus 14. Okay, 800 minus 14. It is 786. So like this it is increase. Now see the question answers what they asked. After each year the number of rabbits was, हर एक ईयर के बाद how they increase? A little less than double the number of rabbits in the last year. Little less than double. Yes, little less than double. Double the number in the last year. डबल तो करते थे लेकिन उससे थोड़ा कम थे. 8 more than the number in the last year? No. More than double the number of the rabbits in the last year? No. So which is the right answer? A. Little less than double. Okay? Little less than double. डबल तो हुआ लेकिन उससे थोड़ा थोड़ा कम. Little less than double. At the end of 6th year, the number of rabbits was close to at the end of 6th year. At the end of 6th year, the number of rabbits were close to 400. And after which year did the number of rabbits crosses 1000? If we do double at the 7th year, if we will do the double of 786, it will more than 1000. So we can say after which year? After 7th year, the number of rabbits cross 1000.